Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we learned this week that Microsoft can share your BitLocker recovery key with the law enforcement. And so it wasn't clear. Most people thought that the BitLocker encryption was impossible to recover from anybody else than you. And this, of course, is because you need to have access to the recovery key. It's the only way to get back your BitLocker files. No one can crack a BitLocker encryption, even Microsoft. But now we learned that Microsoft has a sneaky way of going and check for the key in your cloud. And when you actually activate a BitLocker encryption, by default, that key goes in the cloud. That means that if you leave it like that, you will be, your key will be accessible to Microsoft because it's not encrypted. And Microsoft does say that they actually acknowledge requests for about 20 to 30 requests from the FBI every year to access data. So basically what happens is that the FBI, will, for example, confiscate your PC because they think you're doing illegal activities. It will contact Microsoft and say, well, this PC is encrypted with BitLocker. Can you give us the recovery key to, see what's on the drive? And Microsoft does acknowledge. This is a big difference from Apple. Apple is, for the most part, resisted. Apple always says, sorry, ain't available. We can't do that. But Microsoft does. Now, is there a way to prevent that from happening? Yes. If you go to the cloud and check out your recovery key, and I will share the link to the Microsoft account page where you can access your recovery key, you will see something like this. A page which will have the key ID and a recovery key. Both are required for you to unlock a drive. Now, it doesn't have to be stored in the cloud. It is stored in the cloud for the purpose of making it easy to access if your PC goes berserk. And so, of course, you will not put that recovery key on the same PC that you want to recover. You will keep that key somewhere else. You could put it in a text file on a USB thumb drive, whatever you want. You could write it down and hide it somewhere. So what you do is you go to the Microsoft account where the recovery key is and simply go at the end, the three dots, and click delete. This will delete the recovery key. It won't change anything to your PC that's encrypted, but it just removes the key. It won't be accessible. Microsoft will not have that key to give to law enforcement. Now, I'm not giving this information as, to a way to avoid law enforcement. I'm giving this information as a way to keep your privacy, because technically nobody should be able to see anything on a PC that you own. So if you do that and you keep that key, and it's very important not to lose it, somewhere at home, somewhere else, somewhere where, maybe not at home, because if, they confiscate your PC, obviously, they'll confiscate everything and the keys are going to be somewhere. But you can at least put it somewhere else, maybe even in another cloud service. So just delete the keys and you'll be fine. So the link to the page where you have the recovery key in the cloud is in the description below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.